Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have some big updates today around Shiba Inu, okay? One that we've been speaking about for some time. I'm going to get straight into it. It's going to be a quick video, and we're just going to talk to you about what is currently going on. I did see this out last night, okay? However, it's starting to gain momentum. It's starting to become potentially a real thing. Kindly request a Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. At the moment, one of the most popular questions I get asked is how can you buy Shiba, okay? Thankfully, Binance have listed Shiba. Not many other platforms out there, like as big as Binance, are currently listing these altcoins or these DeFi tokens, okay? It's also on crypto.com. So Binance did take a leap of faith here, listing Shiba, and I don't think they've ever looked back because it's pretty much been up there with their most watched cryptos ever since. And the attraction around Shiba is huge, and obviously that's given Binance more and more customers basically. But yeah, we have this petition. Now I must admit this is a petition at the moment, but you know, this is how things start. They start off as a petition and then eventually become something. When I last looked at this, it had 2,000 signatures, and at its time of recording it has over 4,000. Okay, it might look slightly different on the screen, but yeah. This petition is designed to kindly request of Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coin to trade. Dogecoin has been a huge success of Robinhood and its investors, and we have all enjoyed the ride. Shiba is similar meme coin with a genuine potential, up 2,000% in last weeks. Gaining new ground by the day, Shiba has just been listed on Binance, and its momentum grows by the hour, which is true. Half the questions when we log into trading forums ask, how can I buy Shiba? Let's encourage Robinhood to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Now, if there was anyone who was going to list this, I do believe it most likely would be a brokerage like Robinhood, okay? Like I say, Dogecoin, everybody knows Dogecoin, okay? A lot of people are probably buying it and holding it on Robinhood as well. So, to get a Robinhood like this to list Shiba, that is absolutely epic. Now, this has to get to 1,000 signatures for it to be reviewed. Now, at the rate Shiba is going with its followers, etc., we don't have to worry too much about the price. If the price is down, that doesn't necessarily mean it won't list it. It's more about who is watching, who is buying, and the volume of this particular crypto. So, and at the moment, all of those things are up. So this means that potentially Shiba could get listed. I do want to just say this is a petition. If you're not aware of this, you can go ahead and sign it if you want to sign it. If you want it to be listed on Robinhood, of course, that would be a massive, massive catalyst. There's also somebody posted this in the Reddit army. Okay, this is on Shiba Army, and this is actually Shiba to be listed on Robinhood to the moon. This hasn't been like fact checked. I don't know exactly, you know, where this has come from. Somebody could have easily wrote this, but it looks pretty legit to me. But I just want to share with you anyway. Okay, it's not. This is somebody's posted this on Reddit. Thank you for writing this. I hope you're safe and well. Robinhood Crypto supports buying and selling and real-time market data for Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., etc. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies such as Shiba coin, and we will be sure to let you know when more become available. Keep in mind, supporting the market data for individual cryptocurrencies don't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling. Other than that, just to let you know, if there's anything else I can answer you, I'm here to help. So that's what they have supposedly posted here, okay? But the thing here is they've obviously mentioned Shiba coin. They could have mentioned SafeMoon or any of these other hype or DeFi tokens, but yeah, they have specifically mentioned Shiba right there. So it's definitely looking, you know, a bit interesting. But as you can see, that's just pretty much probably a generic automatic reply if you was to message Robinhood. But we can see. Let me know if you message them. What do they reply? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's see how much this signature can get up. I'm going to do a little update on this as well, actually. You're going to drop this in one of my videos at some point just to see how many signatures it's got to. I think we're going to smash past the 5,000. This is a very new request. It only actually came onto my radar just last night, so it's definitely going to be interesting. I do want to quickly point out one more thing. There is another petition on change.org. And this is actually from a fellow YouTuber, Brandon 10x. And he's got one here, Shiba token ecosystem, Amazon, Bone Unleash for payment method. This one has almost 2,500 signatures. And he says, currently Amazon does not accept cryptocurrencies as a payment method, alienating many people who do not have a traditional bank account. Amazon, being the leader in innovations, should accept Bone as part of the Shiba token ecosystem as a form of payment. It's fast, cheap, and stable. It has a huge supply of coins and is very large and active community with over 200,000 followers on Twitter. And they are donating over $1 billion to the pandemic, as we are already aware of. So it is time for Amazon to be the first major companies to see the power of Shiba token ecosystem. Now, this one's a bit more out there, for sure, okay? It's a bit more outlandish, I definitely would say. However, you know, you have to try. There's no harm in trying. Let's see how this one gets on as well. You know, you never know. Currently has, like I said, almost 2,500 signatures. So we have a couple of potential catalysts, okay? I don't think these are anywhere near at the moment, but let's see. The Robinhood one is more likely, in my opinion. Amazon would be absolutely epic, okay? This would absolutely send Shiba to the moon, no doubt about it. We have the Shiba swap platform coming out as well, and more exchanges are listing Shiba. We're getting those updates every single day, and we keep updating you on it, okay? If you appreciate those updates, please go ahead and smash the like as well. But let's look at how the coin has been reacting over the last few hours since we last spoke about these, okay? We're actually going to the 1 day graph. Now, at the time of recording, you can see we're on an upward trend. Last time we spoke about these, they were on a slightly downward trend. So we're currently bouncing back from those lows. The lows was about 0.000014. And yeah, we're now at 0.17. So it has definitely increased to some extent. And the volume is still crazy, okay? Over 2,300,000,000 in terms of the volume. So it's still very much attractive right now. People are still excited by this one. And you can see the historical data. The volume has actually grown again over the last few days. We had 2.6, 3.2, and now 3.4 billion. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this higher again today, but we had all the attraction around VB selling, etc., which has kind of saved Shiba to an extent because people was getting worried, people was getting panicking. Why is one of the biggest holders of this one selling? And as we know now, it was for good reason, and then second of all, he didn't want the power as well involved with it. So just a quick update today on Shiba. If you appreciate all of these, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.